Hi guys, Greg Ranth here. I'd first like to thank everyone for joining all of our webinars. By providing us a platform, we've so far been able to donate $2,000 to a variety of charities during this COVID pandemic and look forward to continuing the mission. So again, thank you. Now, it's come to our attention that many designers are either uninformed or misinformed about some of the major advancements in pumping technology. Things have changed, and designing projects the way you did 5 or 10 years ago just won't fly anymore. Especially now with the local law 97 creeping up on us, we all have to start figuring out how we're going to start complying. Not with the 2024 guidelines, but really the more stringent 2030 guidelines on the horizon. This week's 20-minute webinar is called New Pumping Technologies All Designers Should Know About. It'll be presented by industry expert David Lee of Armstrong Fluid Technology. In his presentation, David will review how you can increase your pump efficiency and savings, helping you with your local law 97 concerns. How to not get handcuffed by your VFD's wasteful turndown limitations. Why your constant speed pump that you upgraded to variable speed may not be saving you as much or any of the energy you expected. And how these simple solutions can reduce downtime and maintenance costs. And as always, we're going to have a long Q&A session after the webinar. So we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.